Whoa, hey friends, and tonight I'm at Pemberton Haunted Acres for, as you can see, their spooky Christmas event. This isn't your normal Halloween haunt, it's a Christmas haunt, and I'm so excited. So if you guys are ready, let's go inside this Christmas haunt and have some fun. And say hi to Cassie Iron Waz with me. She's ready.
You've been on the naughty list, huh?
No, I haven't.
Don't lie to me.
Okay, I have.
That explains it. Santa's the important person here.
Damn it! Say no.
Good, how are you?
She wants to sit on you.
Ooh, stop talking about me.
Go.
Oh, I know what's gonna happen. No, I'm not doing it. No, I already know. It's too pretty. Yeah, something's gonna happen. When it's pretty like that, look at homeboy right here. Look at homeboy. Look at him. You got fingers around your neck, yo.
Molly's just stealing her show. I took care of them.
Merry Christmas. Naughty.
Naughty, a million percent.
What time will you show up? 6 or 7?
Stop that right now!
It's snowing. It's snowing here at Pemberton. Love it. Oh, look at that pretty tree. Look at this fun photo op. I love it.
Oh my God, get me in.
We need to get in that sleigh.
Yes, we need that sleigh.
The man of the night.
This is Whoa
They made it possible.
Yes, Whoa Davey. We love Whoa Davey.
Oh wait, I have
They did a
that.
fantastic job with this place. Even the entrance alone.
Oh.
Like, you can tell how incredible you've, like, stepped it up.
We took a bunch of photos already, but I was gonna ask a serious question. What time should we show up? 6 or 7?
Stop with the... No. This one first? You going? Guys, how many in your room? Okay, are we taking video or photos? Video? Okay, just please make sure it stays in selfie mode while you're in there.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Selfie mode. Inside, you can do whatever mode you want out here. Just selfie mode inside.
Selfie mode. So you see my reaction.
I have a very important question. How do we spell semen?
Let me turn the camera off.
He's making everyone go crazy!
Oh my God! What in the hell is going on? Oh my God! Why is the snow yellow?
It's lemonade, baby.
Oh, it's snowing. A lot of snow on the trees.
Christmas trees here.
Damn it! Get me the hell out!
What's that?
Come on, you don't want to stick with me?
Oh my God! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Ho ho ho! We're done.
Oh my. Yeah!
Oh my gosh.
Better watch out for Bumble.
Oh, what's Bumble? Damn it.
Bumble the Yeti.
Oh no! Oh no!
Where's he at?
Where's who at?
The Yeti. You didn't hear what he said?
Bumble's coming.
He's not talking about a bumblebee. Oh. I'm getting the hell out. I was about to book it. You know me too well. Oh, what is that? Get me out! Damn you!
No!
Everywhere! You're on the naughty list! Damn it! Get me out!
Get him.
Oh, I don't like it. Get me out. You keep holding me back. You want me to die.
That was great!
I liked it. That was cute. Did you all enjoy it?
I thought it was great.
Cute.
Chainsaw dude scared the shit out of me.
The what?
The chainsaw guy.
What he double back?
Yeah, I wasn't expecting. Hillbilly Mayhem. Just what I like. Oh, damn it! We haven't even started yet. Damn it! The house hasn't started. The house. Listen, the house hasn't started.
I'm not in the house. I'm
Wait.
the village of Misfits Toys.
So you really went out of your way.
I did.
Oh.
Just for you. You should be happy.
Oh. I love it. You're festive.
Hillbilly Mayhem.
Don't do that. Oh, damn it. Oh, what is that? Just get in. This is going to be a nightmare. Oh my God.
We're screwed.
Oh man. I'm scared. Oh, look at the entryway. Oh my goodness.
Tim, you gotta make sure he doesn't get cut in front of you.
Get me out. I'm leaving. What happened? Oh!
No way! Why aren't you listening? Please help me!
Oh! I did! Dad!
Oh my God.
We're not gonna make it. Oh man. I'm done. Oh man, I'm done. Oh man. What's going on here? Oh, damn it! Ow! They're on the ground! Damn it! Damn it! Listen, they're on the ground. They're on the ground.
Baby, we're waiting for you to get closer.
Oh no.
Oh, there's something in my mouth!
No.
Baby needs to
They're rats.
Oh, I don't like it.
They're rats. Smell something bad.
Close your legs. Oh! This is not Christmas dinner, yo.
Oh, yes it is.
No, it ain't.
It's roast beef.
Oh, what was that?
Oh.
Damn it! You know what? I'm done! Oh my God! Oh my God! Get me out! Oh! We're going. Oh, damn it! I'm getting sprayed by a shitter. Oh, I'm in the closet again. Oh, get me out! Get me out of the closet!
I forgot about the vagina!
I'm done. There's no way out. Get me out. Get me out! Get me out! Where was that thing? What the hell is that? What the hell is that? Damn it!
Oh my Lord!
They made us come this way.
Santa! Don't allow trespassers on my porch.
We're leaving.
Santa was get off my porch!
Alright, we're gonna get in. Oh. I hear a honking horn. What is that? Oh, it's a fucking car! Oh, get me out!
That one is always so.
So you all like that one?
I told you that laser room was off the chain.
That was great. I love that.
You had me rolling, by the way.
They were freaking pop. They just pop out of nowhere. You can't see them. They just pop right.
Do you like when they pop out?
I like it. I like a good poppin' moment.
I do.
Poppin' it.
Sleeping Pemberton Haunted Acres, what did you think? It's so good. Come out here for the holidays.
It's
If
so
you think
freaking
Halloween
good.
is scary, this is just as scary.
Yeah, this is so good. It's so
good.
must do that.
Definitely. Yeah, and you can take pictures like this. Happy holidays, Vice forever, and see you later.